Good morning, students. Continuation of the chapter Vectors. In the previous class, I discussed about the cross product of vectors A cross B that is equal to the determinant ijk A1 B1 C1 A2 B2 C2. And the second formula for A cross B is A cross B is equal to mod A mod B sin theta into vector n. What is this vector n? Vector n is the unit vector, isn't it? Now, second term is if A cross B is equal to 0. If A cross B is equal to 0 means A and B are parallel vectors. A and B are parallel vectors. Then how can you prove that two vectors are parallel? To show that the determinant ijk A1 B1 C1 A2 B2 Z2 is equal to 0. Next, write the heading. Write the heading. Application of vector product. Right. Application of vector product. Right, the first one. Area of the parallelogram. Area of the parallelogram. Area of the parallelogram. Condition 1. If A and B are the, right, A and B are the adjacent sides of the parallelogram. Adjacent sides of the parallelogram. Look here, this is a parallelogram. Parallelogram means opposite sides are equal and parallel. This is a parallelogram and this is vector A and this side is vector B. If the two sides given, then write the formula. Area is equal to mod A cross B. Area is equal to mod A cross B. Understand? This is one application type problems to find the area of the parallelogram. Then we know that area of the parallelogram means mod A cross B. The condition is very important. Here A and B are the adjacent sides of the parallelogram. From this result, you know, we can divide this parallelogram into two triangles, isn't it? Therefore, can you say what is the area of a triangle? If area of a triangle, if A and B are the sides, half mod A cross B. Take the half of the answer. Half mod A cross B. Then next one. Right. If, right, so case 2. Case 2. If A and B are the diagonals of a parallelogram. Diagonals of a parallelogram. Look here, this is a parallelogram. This is the one diagonal, isn't it? That is A. And the second diagonal is in this way. Okay, A and B. In any order you can take. A and B are the diagonals of a parallelogram. Then write area is equal to half mod A cross B. Half mod A cross B. If A and B are the diagonals, then what is the answer area? Half mod A cross B. Then can you say what is the area of the triangle in that case? Again take the half of. Half into mod A cross B. 1/4 mod A cross B. If A and B are the sides of the parallelogram, area is equal to mod A cross B. If A and B are the diagonals of the parallelogram, then area is equal to half mod A cross B. Okay. Write the next one question. Find the area of the parallelogram Find the area of the parallelogram formed by the vectors. Find the area of the parallelogram formed by the vectors 3i plus 2j plus k, 3i plus 2j plus k, comma, I plus 3j plus 5k. I plus 3j plus 5k. Here, read the sentence carefully. Find the area of the parallelogram formed by the vectors means this first one is A and the second one is B. The sides given. Then how can you find the area? Right. Area is equal to the determinant ijk mod A cross B, isn't it? Ijk 3, 2, 1, 1, 3, 5. You will get the answer 7i minus 14j plus 7k. Do the calculations. Then we need mod A cross B. How can you find modulus of this vector? Root of 7 square plus minus 14 square plus 7 square. Right. Answer is 7 root 6. 7 root 6. Understand? Right. Then next problem. Write on the next problem. Find the area of the parallelogram. Find the area of the parallelogram Find the area of the parallelogram for which the vectors represented by the diagonals are. Find the area of the parallelogram for which the vectors represented by the diagonals are 3i plus j minus 2k and I minus 3j plus 4k. Here what are the terms given? A and B are the diagonals. A and B are the diagonals of the parallelogram. Okay, then write area is equal to half mod A cross B. Right, area is equal to half mod A cross B. That means half into modulus of determinant ijk 3, 1 minus 2, isn't it? 1 minus 3, 4. Check the answer. Half into the vector minus 2i minus 14j minus 10k. Actually, first you find A cross B. No need of writing this half there. A cross B is equal to. Then we find a mod A cross B. Isn't it? Root of minus 2 square plus minus 14 square plus minus 10 square. Answer is root 300. Root 100 into 3, isn't it? That is 10 root 3, right? 10 root 3 is only mod A cross B. Here area is half mod A cross B. That is half into 10 root 3, isn't it? Therefore, the final answer is 5 root 3. Right, final answer is 5 root 3. First one, if the sides are given, mod A cross B. If the diagonals are given, half mod A cross. Suppose your question is find the area of the triangle. If the diagonals given, again find half of 5 root 3. That is 5 by 2 root 3. 5 by 2 root 3. Then next one, write one result. For two vectors A and B, prove that mod A cross B the whole square is equal to A square B square. Vector, always write vectors. A square B square minus A dot B the whole square. Right. Then take the LHS. What is your LHS? Mod A cross B the whole square. Then what is the geometrical meaning of mod A cross B? Mod A, mod B, sine theta. into vector n the whole square. Isn't it? When you take modulus, n cancel. Therefore, mod A mod B sine theta the whole square. Agree? That means mod A square, mod B square sine square theta. A, B, C the whole square is A square, B square, C square. Look here, mod A square, mod B square, we can write this sine square as 1 minus cos square theta. That is, mod A square into mod B square into 1 is mod A square, mod B square minus mod A square, mod B square, cos square theta. Agree? Inner multiplication.